Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Kayla, but you can call me Juno, and welcome to my channel. So in this specific video, I'm going to talk about the foreign exchange market, or what everyone calls it, the Forex market. This video, I debated whether or not I wanted to do this video in the first place, because I noticed that a lot of channels that do videos on Forex, they're seen as scammers or people that don't know what they're talking about, and then people just avoid their channel to begin with, you know. So I kind of don't want that to happen to my channel, but I just wanted to talk about my experience with Forex and why I am not doing so good as a beginner. Okay, so the first thing I want to touch upon is the things you need to start your Forex journey, period. So one of the things that I've been told constantly was you have to have the right mindset. Like, the right mindset, really? I mean, it makes sense, yes, but at the same time, I'm gonna need more information than that. I need solid facts, I need learning material, and I get that, but you need to have the right mindset, because this is not a get-rich scheme, and I like things that go... The way this was introduced to me was, they were like, do you want to make money? I was like, yeah. They were like, well, you should join my Forex team. And I was like, okay, so am I gonna get money constantly? And they're just like, it's a journey, da 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 da. Do not listen to those people. All those people that are telling you to join their teams, don't listen to them. They're a bunch of scammers, they're liars. And that is something else I wanted to get into. But before I jump into that, let's talk about the things that you need to start. You need money. So please do not quit your day job thinking that Forex is going to make you money right off the bat, because it will not. It will not. It is a process, a long process, and I wish I had known that before I did what I did. But, you know, whatever, it's a journey. You need to have the right mindset. It is not, like I said, it is not a get-rich scheme. I am still trading demo, and I have not went into a live trade yet because I am still constantly losing on demo, and I don't know how to fix that at the moment. You have to be willing to learn. You have to have time to learn, because I've been watching many videos on YouTube, and half of them, yes, they have been scammers, and I have learned that from my experiences. Like, all these videos, you can sit down and watch all these videos all you want, but you need to actually practice these things, because Forex is like math. And yes, there's a lot of math in Forex, because you need to count all the pips, count all the money. If you're not willing to learn, this is not something for you. And I wish I would have known that before I joined, but I'm so eager now because I really need this money. And it's just like, I already started, so why not just finish, right? How hard it is to learn Forex on your own. It is extremely hard. And to even sit down and watch many videos on YouTube on your own, and to like find all this information, and all the information out there is not correct. It literally is not. People are selling courses, they're selling pamphlets, information. Like, it's not real. It's like a get-rich scheme to them. They just want to recruit you. It's so terrible what they're willing to do to scam these people. And I'm gonna put some clips, like little snippets of what I'm talking about, like right here. I'm gonna show you different ones of what they look like and what they say in the comments. So it's like people that are looking for actual mentors and stuff to teach them to learn, they are constantly, and I mean constantly, being steered away, and then they think the whole thing is a scam because they're being scammed by a lot of people on the internet. The people that constantly say, I'm making constant profits now with so-and-so mentor, and I'm just like, no. If you take some time and you watch a bunch of these YouTube videos, and you go through and you go through the comments, and you see a lot of the same comments saying, bro, your work is so good, you're so detailed, and then you scroll further down and you just see the same comment format. You're just like, okay, this guy's a scam. Like, he buys his comments, or he tells a lot of his followers and his team to comment all these things under his video. So the more people that do that, the more it looks believable, and the more people he can rake into his scheme to scam them. That is one thing I noticed. They will go the extra mile to scam you, and they will do it. They don't care who you are. Like, this is a very tough market to begin with, and for beginners, I just I don't know, once someone gets into this pyramid scheme, it's like they're so brainwashed. They'll brainwash you, or they'll try to get you in on it so you also are brainwashed, and it's a constant ongoing situation. Please do not buy courses online. Do not buy them because they are scams. The information that they are giving you is, you can find it for free if you search hard enough on the internet. A couple of books you can buy and read about Japanese candlesticks and things like that. So do not buy information from these YouTubers. It is not true. A bunch of YouTubers actually that are scamming you with their courses, do not buy them. I almost bought one for $300, and no, I won't say who it is, but I thought because he was someone that looked like me and how they talked, I thought they were willing to, you know, actually help a sister up, you know? But like, no. It doesn't matter what they look like, how they act like, it's all a scheme to them to better push their chances up. It's a scheme, but it's not at the same time. Like, it does work, but the higher up you are, the more money you get. And that's another thing I wanted to talk about. IML. Do not join IML. Do not join any MLM, any of that. It's a scheme. It's all fake. And I think you know the one I'm talking about. I think it was IML Academy or IM Academy. Do not join them. They are a bunch of scammers and they are liars. I don't care what anyone says. You do not need to be paying $250 for the initial fee and then $174 weekly for some information you can find on YouTube. And I really almost got scammed into it because they will use people that you know to get to you. They brainwash you little by little. They go after the people they know desperately need the money. They know you need the money, and they go after you specifically. So that is why I'm saying, please do not join IM or IML Academy. Don't do it. And if anyone who's telling you otherwise, they are trying to scam you. They get money every time someone joins. I think it's called residuals. So if you join their team, the more amount of people that joins their team, they get waived the weekly fee. So the higher they go up, the higher everyone goes up, the more they get paid monthly. So people can join IML Academy and not know how to trade at all, but they're getting paid based on the people that join their team. You see what I'm saying? Don't join any academy. Do not buy any courses. None of that. It's not real. You can find all that information on babypips.com. It helped me a little bit, but I'm still confused because I myself need a physical teacher, and a lot of people actually do need a mentor, and I'm looking for a mentor, but I'm not just gonna pay people to be like, to teach me information that I can find off the internet, you know what I mean? But I do need a mentor, and I'm trying to find one as quick as I can. And I think I already said this already, but do not believe the scammers, because they will get you. They will find a way to get you any way they can. But they will show you a demo account of how much money they're making. They're saying you can make all this money too in like a week's time if you just follow this, if you just use my signals. But don't use anyone's signals, because you don't know how much they're risking, how much their reward ratio is. You don't know any of that. For a beginner, this is all confusing, and I get that, I know, but I myself am a beginner, and this is all the information I have learned on my own. I'm not asking you to believe me, but as someone who hates scammers and as someone who's learning on their own, this information that I'm telling you is true. And like, I get if you don't want to, I mean, it's up to you, but I'm trying to like tell you all these ways these people will scam you and like why they have no remorse. Before I wanted to go, I wanted to say a few things. It's better if you buy books and information that you know for a fact will help you, and not buying these people's courses. I'm talking about books that have been here for generations and for years. These things will help you. I haven't bought any books yet, but I'm looking into some books that I know for a fact will help me. And it's just like, if you don't want to buy it, I think they might have free copies on the internet. Read those books. Please read them. And I'm giving you all this advice, but I also need to take my own advice, which is what I'm going to do. Take lots of notes. Study the market now, and study the past, because the past sometimes it is what predicts the future. You need to know the past to know the future. And that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know down in the comment section below, and I will be happy to get back to you. Bye guys.